Hi everyone. You know how I made a video for how Disney's The Cat from Outer Space should become a television series? Well, I believe it really needs a sequel because this movie is so funny. It's so funny and it is really fun and it really needs to happen. It should be on your needs to happen list. This movie was really funny and very great, with a great cast that was so funny in this movie. This movie is a real classic, and I believe it really needs a sequel. I recommend you talk to people about it in person, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, Reddit, Skype, TikTok, Fandango, Screen Rant, comic book resources, and video chat with people about it. Bye for now. Until next time, I think of another video game movie that really needs a sequel. Please remember to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share my videos on social media and share via messaging and email too. And don't forget to check out my playlists.